Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some amazing fish tea together. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bells. You can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So I'm going to start off by adding some water to my pot, and let me tell you, this fish tea was just amazing. You can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using, and please note that if you see me use something that you don't have, you can always go ahead and substitute. Now I'm gonna go in and add some chopped pumpkin. I will also add some scallion, some thyme, some bell pepper, some carrot, and allow this to come to a boil. And of course I'm gonna add some garlic. I will also add some French thyme. If you have the fine leaf thyme at home, you can always go ahead and do so, add it as well. So this is what it looks like once it comes to a boil, and of course we don't want our carrot to be too soft. I'm gonna go in and add some banana. You can always add any amount of your choice. You can also add some dumplings if you want to. However, I will not be adding any dumpling to my fish tea. So once that is nicely cooked, I will go in and add some broccoli and some okra. The broccoli is optional. You don't have to add the broccoli. If you have the okra though, it is recommended that you add the okra. So we're going to allow this to come to a boil nicely, and then I'm going to add some cock soup mix. And remember to always taste, just in case you need to add a little bit more salt or you need to add a little bit more pepper to that as well. I already went ahead and rescale my fish, because of course, you know, once you buy a fish at the fish market, they will tell you that it is scaled, but the truth is, you know, you need to rescale. And this took me roughly about 45 minutes to prepare. Really easy, really quick and simple for the family, and they do enjoy. So now we're gonna go in and of course start adding the fish, and I'm using the snapper fish today. Once I add the fish, I will combine that well, then I'm gonna cover it and just allow it to cook down for roughly another 10 minutes. And once it's finished cooking, I will show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned for the finishing product. And this is what my fish tea looks like, really quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you guys on Monday for another amazing recipe. Bye guys.